You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got many more on the channel. And at the end of the video, British English pronunciation, UK, cinder, 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 stress on the first syllable. American English pronunciation, US, cinder, cinder. Two different ways, two different pronunciations, cinder or cinder. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.